What's up guys, welcome back again to this tutorial. In the previous tutorial we're talking about making decisions in C using if. So what about if we have more than two decisions? What do? See, there is a particular way to do it, but I want to show you how to avoid using a lot of if statements and just sum it to one simple statement. So guys, I want to show you how whenever you have two decisions to make, you don't have to repeat yourself by writing a number of codes. So guys, I want to say, like, first I want to give you the structure of C or of else. So that else is what you use to give an alternative if the test is false. I don't want to do away with the previous code because I want just add some edit to it. So I'm gonna say, like, if we say here we have what we call the test, and outside the test you have this one and say code, right? So like, so you're gonna have the code, and then if the code is not true, you've been having another if here and say test, alright, test, and say then the code. So that's what we've been having, but how can we do away with this? So the structure of an else, if else, we have else if, but this is an if else. After nesting you can have if else. So this is an if else. So you come here and say else, alright, we'll give this curly bracket and open up. You don't give the test condition or whatever. So this is the structure of a program. Let's say that's the program. So this is the structure. So this is the structure for, we call it an if else statement, right? So let's now get back to this program and see what I've been talking about. So like, let's say we can add the same statement here. So let's copy this one and say we do away with this one. So I'm gonna say if the age is less than 18, you can just come to the end of the first if, just answer that if, and you're gonna say else, alright, but not a good report this. So we're gonna put it there, say else, and if you say else, do this, open it up and paste a program there. So else print, there is nothing to see here. If the age is less than 18, there is nothing to see there. So like the same way to the gender, so you don't have to repeat yourself. You're gonna copy this one, alright, because you have two decisions to make. You're gonna import this one, say outside this one we're gonna import else, alright. So else, you're gonna do this and you can paste this one, I'm a lady. If that's not the gender, I'm a lady. So let's try and run this program and see. It's very simple, working smart, and I hope you're enjoying to see the way it is working easy for you. Let's wait for the compiler to respond. So how old are you? I'm 23. Let me say I'm 20 years of age. What's your gender? Nothing's outputting. Of course, this is the problem we're having here. There's supposed to be space here and half space here. I think now gonna work pretty fine. Let's check. How old are you? I'm 20 years of age. What's your gender? I'm a male, of course. Welcome, I'm a dude, alright? So see, it returned pretty fine. If we run this program and say, what's your age? I'm 19 years of age. What's your gender? Is F. Welcome, dear my lady. So if say the computer understands this, it's in this way. What's your age? I'm 19 years. So the age is above 19 years. Let me proceed and check out. What's your gender? my gender, I'm a female, so not M. So if it's not M, then it is M. If it's not L, then it is a lady. So it's not a man, it's not a male, it is a lady. So just compare, say if, else, lady. So there's nothing to say. If, then. Alright? Yeah, I hope you're getting the point that if it is a lady, if the gender is equals to M, then print I'm a lady, else print and this one. Okay, so that's like way we said if age is greater than 18 years, then print welcome dear. But before you print, test this one. If gender is M, print I'm an adult, else print I'm a lady. Because if you're not and your gender was F, so it ends to else and just printed I'm a lady, of course. So you can see that welcome dear, I'm a lady. Alright, you can see the program. You can test like having another program and say how old I am, 17 years of age. What's your gender? I'm a male. There's nothing to see. It doesn't bother even checking your gender and prompting yourself to do that because it doesn't care about it. So guys, you can see you can be having another functions like we have more than 2 options to choose from, because if else is suitable when you have only 2 options to choose from. What about you have 3, 4, 5 options to choose from? What can you about that? Guys, find that in the next tutorial. So subscribe, like this video, share it, and let's meet in the next tutorial. For now, bye bye guys, see you later.